Sounds like thunder.
A storm? Now let's see.
Oh, feel the burn.
Well, is it a storm, Papa Green?
No, it's Moon. I think she needs our help.
Hello, Moon. Why aren't you asleep?
Oh, I do beg your pardon, dears. I am so very, dearie me, hungry. It was keeping me awake.
So the rumbling is your tummy?
Yes, it is making a bit of a noise.
I'll say, all this rumbly-tumbly noise is putting me off my exercises. I keep losing count. 1, 2... Oh, see what I mean?
Oh, my dear. So sorry.
Can't sleep. Funny noise.
Oh, my. There I go again. Oh, my. I'm sorry, but I'm still hungry.